Hi, I'm Damien and welcome on my guitar lesson YouTube channel. Today we're going to work on 10 blues pentatonic licks in A minor. We've already seen licks in E minor. This time is to work on some licks in the key of A minor pentatonic blues. Lick number 1. I'll play it again a little bit more slowly. Lick number 2. So watch out here, there's a little quicker lick inside. Let's go a little bit more slowly second time. Lick number 3. A little bit more slowly now. Let's move on, lick number 4. Nothing complicated with this one here, but you have a couple triplets. Let's do it again one more time. Lick number 5. Let's do again lick number 5. So watch out, you have this little quick movement rhythm by 6 here. That's a cool one to practice, definitely. Lick number 6. Let's play it again, a little bit more slowly. Lick number 7. One more time. Lick number 8. Let's play it again. number 9. So here we're going to move from fret 3 and going up to fret 19. Let's play it again. And now the last lick, lick number 10. One more time. Please don't forget to practice all those licks. Try to use them on some backing tracks. You can try mine on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my guitar lesson YouTube channel.